Greeting a customer in the digital age. The way you greet a customer can make or break your chances of working with them, and ever since the world changed in light of the COVID-19 pandemic, it has become more important than ever. Why is greeting a customer correctly important? Greeting customers properly can have a hugely positive effect on your business. It creates a powerful first impression and sets the tone for the rest of their experience with your company. How should you be greeting customers? There are always ways in which we can improve the way we work, and greeting customers is part of that. These are some methods you can use to improve your greeting technique and make your customers feel welcome even when they are greeted virtually. Greet them immediately and be welcoming. Make sure that customers are greeted as soon as they enter your premises by a virtual assistant or an automated message. Be professional when greeting. It's important to create a professional atmosphere when greeting customers. Make sure you use polite language and keep the conversation brief and to the point. Always make eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most important aspects of communication. Unfortunately, it can be difficult to make eye contact when greeting customers digitally. Offer them reassurance. When greeting customers, it is important to make them feel safe and welcome. Note all relevant information. In addition to the greeting, you should make sure that you take down any relevant information about the customer. Keep the greeting simple. Make sure to keep your greeting short and sweet. Your customers will appreciate this, and it will also help you to be more efficient. Make your welcome a branded experience. In order to help create a memorable experience for your customers, you should make sure that each customer's welcome is branded and personalized. Show your customers you recognize them. Personalizing your greeting is a great way to show customers that you remember them and are familiar with their needs. What should you do after greeting customers? Once you have greeted your customers, it is important to follow up on their visit. You should thank them for coming and make sure that they had a positive experience. Conclusion. Greeting customers is an integral part of creating a successful business. By following the tips outlined above, you can ensure that your customers have a positive experience each time they visit and come away feeling welcomed and appreciated.